Hello, hi, good morning. Naveen, Rajashekhar, Leela, Sunita. Hope you guys doing well and good. In today's session, you too. In today's session, we'll try to understand what is contracts and how these contracts are being executed into SAP. When it comes to contracts, we have various types. Contract it's an agreement between two parties, a customer and a vendor. A customer is nothing but the person who purchases certain items. A vendor is nothing but who supplies the material to the consumers. It's a agreement between two parties. Contracts. We have a quantity contract, value contract, a material relevant value contract, and service contract. We have various contract types. If we move further, we have a quantity contract, master contract, value contracts, and service contracts. Let's try to understand what exactly these terms are. Let's go with the quantity contract. A quantity contract is an agreement that enables customer to order a certain quantity of item or products during a specific period, right? A contract is an agreement between two parties. The contract contains basic quantity and price information. As its quantity contract, the contract will be based on item quantity and price information, but no scheduling of the specific delivery. Means a two parties will be having an agreement or contract only for quantity and price, but delivery timeline or delivery schedule, it's not relevant. Okay, they can make delivery at any time as per the client requirement, but no schedule of specific delivery dates or quantities. While creating this quantity contract into system, we'll be considering order type as QC and item category will be KMN. This is related to the quantity contracts. Let's understand value contracts. As term indicates value, a value contract is a contractual agreement with a customer that contains materials and services that they may receive within a time period up to a target value. Value contract is nothing but a target value. A value contract can contain certain materials or group of materials. For example, a product hierarchy or assortment model. Here, in this, order type will be WKN. Item category will be, WK1. Item category will be WKN. And we have condition type WK00. Sorry. As of now, let's skip the service contracts as we won't be able to execute these services. Let's try to execute quantity contract and value contracts. Here. Value contract. A value contract is a legal agreement with the customer that contains the material or services that the customer receives within a specified time period for a value up to a specific target value. Value contract, order type WK1, value contract process flow. We need to create a value contract via transaction code VA41. Then contract type will be WK1. If you want to see the what exactly we have controlling and transaction flow, general controls, we can go for the VA transaction code and we can see this. Similarly, for the item category WKN, we can check into the Vivo V7. And here condition type is WK00. This condition type we have to maintain. Pricing equals to target value. This is the first. Maintain the customer data, material data, target value, quantity, and with validity period. Quantity is nothing but that we need to have these parameters with reference to value contract. Okay, first two steps will be for creating an order. The rest steps will be as standard. We'll create an order, delivery, and billing. Here, what we have to observe is while creating or while releasing an order, if the value increases beyond the contract, the system will throw a warning message. We'll see this, okay? Let's dive into this SAP. We have transaction code VA41 for creating a contract. Enter. Or here, create contract. Or we can do is, we'll navigate logistics, sales and distribution, master data, sorry, sales. Here we have contracts. We can't see the transaction code, right? What I'll do is I'll go to the menu, settings, display technical names, check box, check this box, continue. Logistics, sales and distribution, sales. Here we can see the transaction codes. Let's double click on this. Contract type WK1. Value contract. We are creating a value contract. WK1 is nothing but a value contract. Let's maintain the sales organization, distribution channel, and division. We can maintain sales. We don't need, okay? Enter. Here, order type WK1 has not been defined in the sales area. Whenever becomes this area, what I said, we have transaction code OVZZ, or we can directly OVAZ, sorry. Or we can directly click onto this error. Click onto this error, then assign permitted order types to sales area. Assign permitted order types to sales area. Click onto new entries. Enter. Sales organization, distribution channel, division. Order type is WK1. Entry chosen. Save it. Back. Now let's try again. Okay. Here, let's maintain the customer reference 909001. Let's maintain this as value contract. Date. As this is value contract, we have to maintain a target value 1000. Target value 1000. Okay, no pricing procedure could be determined. So, as we have seen here, we have to maintain the condition type WK00. For this, we have transaction code VK11. And also, there is a little customization. Let me OVKK, new entries, sales organization, distribution channel, division, or document pricing procedure. This is contract, right? So, value contract, Y, customer pricing procedure 1. WK00. Then save it. Enter. Enter. Okay. Material WKM1 is not defined for the sales organization. Okay, let's maintain the material. CX09, pencil, enter. Now we have creating a document with customer data, target value, and here we are maintaining a material. Let's maintain validity from 29th November to 10th of December. Enter. Let's try to save this. Here, value contract has been saved. In this creation of contract, guys, do you have any doubt? Please ask. Hello?
Yes.
Now, let's try to release an order. Means, with reference to value contract, we'll release an order via transaction code VA01. This is the contract number, right? I'll copy this. Let's create an order /n VA01. Order type OR. Create with reference. Click onto the contract, okay? And maintain the contract number 400214. Enter. Copy. Okay, let's maintain here quantity. What I'll do is I'll click onto this tab, enter material. Let's maintain the material 609 pencil and quantity as 15 pieces. Go back. Click on to copy here. Now, what's the we have created quantity contract, sorry, value contract, right? In the contract, what's the target value that we have maintained?
1,000.
1000.
Thousand.
Now we are releasing an order with a value of 1500, right? 1500, which is the net value is exceeding, right? Here we are creating an order with a value of 1500, which is, if we check the contract, the value is exceeding here with 500 additional. If I try to save this, the system will throw an warning. Okay. Did we go to the window? Target value of the value contract has been exceeded. Value contract 214, item 10, difference is 500, right? Do you still wish to save the document or continue to edit? Means the order which we are releasing to the customer, the value is 1000. Here, the order which we are going to release to the customer is exceeding beyond our contract value. So, do we still would like to edit or save the document? Let's go to the edit mode. I'll reduce the quantity to 10. Now, the net value is 1000. If I try to save this, the system will not throw an error. Hope you are able to follow. I'll go to the conditions tab. Instead of 100, I'll try to make this as 1100. Go back. I have changed the quantity here and the price, I have changed the price manually, which is instead of 100, I made 1100. I'll go back. Here we have net value of 1100. If I try to save this, look again, I got the error. Target value of the value contract has been exceeded. If you want to save, yes, we can save it. We can proceed. I'll do one thing. I'll change the price to 1000. I'll go back. If I try to save, the system will not throw error now. Let's save this. enter. Now order has been saved. So far we have created contract, value contract with a value of 1000. For that contract, we have released an order. If the order value exceeds beyond the contract value, the system throws a warning message. So far, the one which we have executed, any dots?
No, sir.
Okay. Moving further, we have to create OBD, outbound delivery, shipping point, date, or we'll change this to 10th or 20th December. Delivery type LF, order number 20178. Go for the picking tab, pick the quantity, click on to here status, overall picking status got updated. If we see the goods movement, here goods movement type is 601. Okay, let's click on to postcode section. Delivery is done. Let's proceed for billing. Snatch and VF01. This is also delivery related billing. Enter payer, billing date, net value with tags and item description. Let's see this. If we see the document status for slash and VA03, this is the order number. Enter. Click onto the display document. Here we can see we have created a value contract with a value of 1000. For this, with this contract, we have created an order, delivery, picking request, goods issue, and invoice. Now, if you want to see the value contract, I'll select this reference and click on to display document. I can go directly to the contract. Here, our target value is 1000 and we have released orders for 1000. Either we can go directly transaction code VA43 or like this. Maintain the customer reference, material reference, target value, quantity, and validity period. Once the contract has been saved, with this contract, we'll release an order. If we observe here, if the total value exceeds the contract value, the system will throw a warning message. Check it and save the sales order. Proceed with subsequent processing, which is delivery processing and billing processing. Okay. The prerequisites here are in the material master data, item category will be norm, means a normal standard material. Then here, if we see the item category in the contract will be WKM. Let me show you here. Here, item category is WKM. If you want to see what exactly this WKM has is Vivo V7. Click on to position WKM. Value contract item. Select this, go for the details. Here, pricing is marked active and completion tool is E. Means item is completed after full target value is referenced. Then this is a business item. Then check for pricing condition type. For contracts, condition is WK00. This condition type already exists into the pricing. We'll see this into the pricing structure while doing the pricing. Then Proceed for creating sales order. Item category, WKN, condition type. Okay. No, there is a correction here. Here we need correction. Then delivery and billing. Let me go to the sales order again. Select it, click on display document. Okay, here item category will be standard TAN. Okay, I need to make this correction. Would you like to in the value contract? Hello? Okay, now moving further, let's try to see value contracts. Okay, material relevant value contract. In previous contract, we have seen only value related. Here we have seen value related contract. There is one more contract which is a combination of material relevant value contract. A value contract is a legal agreement with the customer that contains materials and services that the customer wishes a specified time. We'll see the difference now. We'll try to create a contract where transaction code VA41, contract type WK2. Okay. Here also condition type WK00. Action VA41. A while ago, we did value contract general. Now we are creating material relevant value contract. Enter. Again, we got the error. Click on this. Assign permitted order types to sales area. New entries. Enter. Sales organization. Distribution channel. Division. And order type as WK2. Material relevant value contract. Save it. Go back. Let's enter again. Let's maintain the customer. Here, let's maintain the material. And target value 1000. Enter. 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 We have maintained the customer, material, and target value. This material, we have a target value of 1000. Condition type WK00. Item category WKN. Let's save this. A contract, material relevant value contract has been saved. Let's copy this contract. Then let's try to release an order. /n VA01. Order type over. We are creating this order with reference to contract. Click on to contract. Maintain the contract number. Enter. Click on to copy. This is material relevant value contract 1. Order 1. Date. Here we have a net value of 100. Okay. If I change this value beyond our target, double click, conditions tab. Here net value is 100, right? The system will not give a warning message. If I change this to 1200, go back. If I try to save this order, again I got the target value of the value contract has been exceeded. Value contract 215. Difference rate is 200. Why? The contract which we have agreed with the customer is for 1000. The order which we are releasing to the customer currently is exceeding with a value of 200. Kindly check and do the necessary. This is what system is saying. I'll go to the edit mode. I'll reduce the price to 900. Go back. Now the net value is 900. If I try to save, the system will not throw an error. Let's proceed for delivery. Picking tab, pick the quantity, and then check for the goods movement value. Goods movement is 601, which is goods issued for delivery. Goods issue, delivery. Click on to post goods issue. Delivery done. Let's proceed for billing. Snatch and VA41. Delivery reference. Enter. Payer. Description. Quantity. Net value. Saved. If we see the contract here, slash and VA42. Enter. We can see the status. We have an agreement with the contract. We have an agreement with the customer with a value of 1000. The orders which we released to the customer so far with a value of 900. Now, let's move further. We have scheduling agreement. Scheduling agreement, we have transaction code VA31, order type TS. What exactly scheduling means? Scheduling means defining a delivery date for a particular item or a particular set of quantities. Let's try to execute this. National logistics, sales and distribution, sales. Here we can see scheduling agreement. Available within contracts. Let's go for the scheduling. Scheduling agreement VA31. Double click on this. Scheduling agreement type DS. Okay. Order type DS has not been defined into the sales area. Click onto this. Let's maintain this. New entries. Sales document type DS, which is scheduling agreement. Scheduling agreement. Let's save. Back. Use it. Enter. Let's maintain the customer here. Material and quantity. Okay. Let's maintain the quantity 10. Valid from. Valid till. Enter. Now, please check and tell me what is your observation here on this screen.
So net value is nothing.
Okay, what else? Good. In the value contracts, we have seen that item. Here, if we see, item category is different, which is LPN. What was item category into value contracts? WKN. Here we have item category LPN. Now, as you said, there is no net value. Why? Because this is a scheduling agreement, means the quantity which the customer is requested, there is no delivery dates. So I'll double click on this. Go to the scheduling tab. I'll maintain we need delivery on 2nd of December 5 pieces, and on 5th of December, 5 pieces. Enter it. If we go back here, now the net value got populated because we have maintained the delivery dates for these quantities. Let me recreate again. /n VA31 double click scheduling agreement type DS. We are creating directly, not with reference. Directly we are creating. Okay. Enter. Maintain the customer, material, and quantity. Maintain the dates. Enter. Now the scheduling agreement is nothing but that the quantity needs to be defined with delivery dates, to be maintained with delivery dates. Once we maintain the delivery dates into the schedule line, let's maintain 5th of December 5 pieces and 10th of December remaining 5 pieces. Go back. Now the net value got populated. This is enter it. Enter item category LPM. Save it. Let's proceed for delivery. Here we can go directly with delivery. Sales document. Click on to delivery, or we can go via transaction code VL01N. Shipping point, date, order number, and delivery. Enter. Let's pick the quantity 5 pieces. PGI post goods issue. If we see the scheduling agreement status here, /n VA32. Enter. This is the agreement number. Continue. If we click on to the status, display document flow, we can see we have agreement for a quantity of 10 pieces, out of which we have delivered 5 pieces. There is one more delivery for a quantity of 5 pieces. Let's do that. /n VL01N again. Enter. This is the order number. Enter. Pick another 5 pieces. Enter. Post goods issue. Delivery is done. If we see the status again, 32, enter, enter. Now 10 first delivery with 5 pieces, second delivery with the 5 pieces. It's done. We can create with this both deliveries, we can create an invoice or billing and invoice, sorry. Okay. I request you guys, please try to execute from your end. If you face any challenges, do let us know. Okay. We'll reconnect again with the same meeting link.